later and we're gonna try our first HelloFresh recipe. And I have my helper here with me, Jonah.
Hey.
So we're gonna make summer butternut squash ravioli with snap peas and fresh tomatoes. So that's what the recipe card looks like. It has a list on the side of all the ingredients that we're gonna be using, and the back gives us all the instructions on how to make it. So we're just gonna follow this and see how easy it is and how it turns out. So this is what the order came with. We have the ravioli just separately on the side and the little bag with all the ingredients. So let's check out what's in there. Don't look, it's a surprise. Okay, pull out the first thing.
Baby spinach.
Yum. Parmesan cheese. Looks like a good amount in there.
Some sweet peas. They don't actually look like they're in the best condition, but they're okay.
Yeah, they look a little bit beat up. Oh, a baby lemon. That's so cute.
Chili flakes.
Holy.
Nice.
Red onions. There's so many in there. Good healthy amount.
And cherry tomatoes. Colored cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, there's like 3 different colors in there. This looks so funny. Just like a tiny piece of peeled garlic. I mean, at least they peeled it for me, I guess.
Last thing.
Mm-hmm.
Here we got some pepitas, I think it's called. I think
Pepitas. Looks like a seed.
It's like a seed, yeah. I don't know.
So the first step is to boil 10 cups of water. So we're doing that right now with some salt. Trim the snap peas, halve the tomatoes, peel, then mince or grate garlic, zesting half of the lemon and juicing it, and the other half cutting it into wedges. So these are the peas. I'm probably gonna have to clean them up because, to be honest, they're not in the greatest condition. Some of them I think are starting to go a little bit bad. So that's done, and now we're gonna work on the lemon and the tomatoes. So we're gonna let that boil for like 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is you have to cut the lemon in half, the part that you zested, and then we'll juice that, cut the other half into wedges, and then I'll start heating up the fry pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the pepitas. So we cook that.
Really?
So we'll cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or remove the pan from the heat, and then add in the lemon zest and the chili flake. All the ingredients so far, besides like the snap peas, I guess, smell really, really fresh. Like you can really smell the lemon, the garlic. I think overall it's pretty good. Just ended up getting a little bit of a bad batch of snap peas, but other than that, everything's been great. So far I feel like the recipe's been pretty easy too, which is really good. I feel like even if you don't have a lot of experience with cooking, you could definitely pull it off, and there's just a little bit of prep work involved. So now that this little mixture is a light golden brown and the ravioli is done heating, we're gonna cook the snap peas, onions, and tomatoes all in the frying pan. Those onions look so purple. Looks super good. Yeah. It's sizzling so loud.
I made it already.
I'm gonna add the ravioli. We're gonna add in half of the Parmesan cheese.
good.
This is what it's looking like. Super yummy. Lots of bright colors.
Yeah, plenty of fresh out this stuff.
Jonah!
I
I think it's pretty much done, eh?
Yeah, I think so.
It looks so good. I want to try making this recipe again already, even though I haven't tried it this first time. So the recipe was actually pretty quick. Everything was portioned out, so it was really easy. It was definitely easier than I expected.
With all lemon and cheese?
Yeah, lemon wedges and cheese. Nice garnish.
Oh,
You
thanks.
always put it in the middle and not the sides.
Huh?
I put it on the side.
I did, didn't I?
You put it on top in the center.
Oh, I don't know.
Whatever, it's your cooking show. So it's just me now. Jonah forgot he had band. I mean, it's all good. He still finished eating and stuff. And you guys saw my first bite. Sorry if it's a little loud. He's playing band downstairs, like I said. I just want to give you my thoughts on the HelloFresh and what I think of it so far. It does taste really, really good. It definitely tastes like fresh pasta. It's not really like heavy or greasy. The pasta also feels very well seasoned. Even though there isn't technically like a real sauce with it, I still feel like it doesn't taste dry. It's got a lot of juicy veggies. I like all the veggies that they put together on this. I also really enjoyed that they put like some fresh cheese in there. I mean, who doesn't love cheese, right? Jonah said it was actually more filling than he thought, and obviously I haven't gone that far, but I think I will be full after this meal, so thumbs up there too. I love the fresh lemon wedge. I really, really like that lemon, even though it's just a baby one. It's just so cute. It's such a nice touch. The peas cooked down pretty well, even though they weren't in the greatest condition, but everything else was perfect condition, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is a really good meal. Something I really liked about this kit was the stuff that came in prepped already, like the onions and the spinach, things like that. I was thinking if I was to make this myself, I would know what to like meal prep in advance to make the meal myself and make it faster. So it definitely gave me some tips and ideas for things that I could meal prep if I wanted to do this on my own versus ordering the kit again. I love this kit for the ideas that it came with. I learned a lot and I feel like it tastes amazing. So this is a recipe I'm going to attempt myself again, and I'm really glad it came with the recipe card. I super enjoy that because it means I can try it on my own sometime. Overall, the ease of this was super simple. I would trust like a 12-year-old basically to make this recipe. The hardest part would be like boiling and draining the pasta. Other than that, really simple. Because the pasta only took like 5 minutes to cook and there was barely any prepping, you could literally make this in 10 minutes. So super, super love that. Anytime I am tired or exhausted, it's a great meal to attempt. I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna be doing another HelloFresh review very soon on my channel because I have 2 more meals to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried any HelloFresh meals and which ones were they. Super curious to know. Make sure to hit the post notification bell at the bottom of my channel as well, and to subscribe to see more of my videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.